In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your username on Instagram using a desktop, laptop, or PC. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Instagram website. In the address bar at the top, type in instagram.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once the page loads, you should see the Instagram login screen. Go ahead and sign in with your existing account details. Make sure you're logging into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one. After you're logged in, you'll land on your Instagram home feed. To get to your profile, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile picture or a small profile icon there. Click that, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Profile. This will take you to your public profile page, where you can see your posts, your current username, and your bio. Now, on your profile page, look for the Edit Profile button. It's usually located near the top of the page, next to your username and profile picture. Click Edit Profile, and Instagram will open a settings page where you can change different parts of your profile. On this Edit Profile screen, find the field labeled Username. This is the name people use to mention or search for you, so choose something that represents you or your brand clearly. Click inside the username box, delete your current username, and then type in your new one. As you type, Instagram will automatically check if that username is available. If it's already taken or not allowed, you'll see a warning message, and you'll need to try a different variation. Adding numbers, underscores, or a slight change in spelling can help you find something that's still close to what you want. Once you're happy with the new username and there are no error messages, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Submit or Save button. Give it a moment to process. After it updates, you'll be taken back to your profile page, and you should now see your new username displayed at the top. If it doesn't appear right away, try refreshing the page. Also remember, changing your username can affect how people find you, so you might want to let your friends or followers know about the change, especially if you use Instagram for business or content creation. And that's all you need to do to change your Instagram username on a desktop, laptop, or PC.